All of you, please turn on your video. Akash, turn on your video. Viva, Selena. Viva, please turn on your video. Today we have, comparatively easier topic. So today are you people able to listen, hear me? No issues?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'm audible, no problem. Good. So today we are going to do a bit easier topic. So as compared to what we have done, this is easy. Let us wait for the people to join. So there's another 4 minutes left. Have you heard about Venn diagram? Yes.
Yes,
Have
sir.
you
Yes, sir.
any idea what is Venn diagram? Well, this is the topic what we have today, Venn diagram. Okay, let us wait for the people to come. And meanwhile, are you people able to get this handout? Check it out because I've already uploaded. If you see chat box, check it out. The chat box. Are you able to
Sir, I
download?
haven't got it.
Sir, I haven't got it either.
So do I, sir.
Wait, let other people come. Then maybe I will see. I think still just see.
Yes, sir, got it now.
Yes, sir, got it.
Easy chapter. Today I won't take much of time. So I'll leave you early today. So we should wind up class by 5:30, 5:40 at most. All of you, please turn on your video. Students, when you join, you are going to turn on your videos. Pratiksha, your video is not on. Bhumika, you're not on. Yes, Ashwant. Yashwant, you have studied today?
Today also I had all classes, but I read newspapers and I saw it. So,
Morning, that 2 hours, what we discussed.
sir,
Morning, we discussed, that early in the morning before your class gets started, you should study for 2 hours.
no, sir, not that time. Actually, I get free at this time. I
Okay.
read at this time usually, but now classes are there, right?
All right. So after class, you will study. Dinesh,
Yes, sir.
Sumedha, your video is not on. Please turn on your video. Aishwarya, Mathri, Pratyush, all of your videos should be on. For first 10 minutes, your video should be on. If you have trouble, you have to message me. Pratyush, your video is not on. Mathri, your video is not on. Dhanush, Nand, Shushma, please turn on your videos. Once again, I'm repeating, please turn on your video. If your video is not on, I'm going to remove you. So first 10 minutes, I want all of your video to be on. Maithuri, Pratyush. Advait.
One second. I'm just.
Shivani, Rohan. Look, I don't know why your videos are not on. Please see that all of you turn on your video for first 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, if you want to switch off your video, I don't have any problem. First 10 minutes of video should be on, and not only with my class, with all the classes. Dhanush, just see that you take care of this camera. And Pratyush, you once again, just see that it is taken care. I'll tell you, Vaishnavi. All right, I agree with you. Vaishnavi, for you, there's no problem. All right. Look, what you need to understand is this is for your benefit. We don't want someone else to come inside, and start disturbing the class. Because already we had this kind of issue. And we don't want this kind of trouble come up once again. So that is the reason why we want each one of you to make sure that your video is on for first 10 minutes. After first 10 minutes, once we have seen all of you, once everyone is there inside, then there's no issues. All of you, please, you can go to the link which I have sent. You can download the paper.
So I haven't received the link.
Even me.
Send once again right now. Just check it out. You have to download it. You have to download it from chat box. Once again, I have posted it. I'll just show
I've
you.
not got it, sir. Can you please resend it?
Look here, I have already sent right now. 402 I have sent. Check it out. This one.
So it's still not come.
Just give me a moment. Give me a moment. You'll get it. Now you said, check it out once again. Are you people able to get it? Oh, why it is showing waiting only? I want everyone in meeting then. Okay, wait. Let other people also join. So I'll send you after another 5 minutes. You got it, Yashwan, now?
No, sir.
Wait, just wait.
Even I didn't get it, sir.
Now wait it for 2 or 3 minutes. Already I've uploaded, so people who have joined earlier, they would have received it. You wait for some time, because otherwise what happens is, I have to keep on uploading again and again. So let us wait for another 2 minutes, and then I'll finally upload it, so we can start with the class. Let me just see, all of your photo once again. I want all of you to smile. You are there on camera. All right. Good. So, look, this is what happens. You learn from your experience. Nirupala, Bhumika, Sumedha, your video is not on. Please see that you turn on your video.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so yesterday I tried to log into the CLAT Tutor website and it worked, but then today
morning, so you have done something, because I have not done anything with the website.
Sir, how would I know? It says that it's like, wait, I'll send you a screenshot.
What error it is showing? Can you just WhatsApp me the error? Just once you log in, once again check it out. If it is, it is showing some error, just take a photo and send it to me.
Yes, sir, even I am not able to log in.
How many of you are not able to log in?
I have a doubt. What it says, there are 3 categories: CA, CB, and CC. So which one should we choose?
If you are intelligent, you see now all the category. What is the problem? You take first category. Don't worry.
Okay. Yes.
And if suppose some error happen, you can go to the second category.
Okay.
What is the trouble? You people don't experiment.
So then
I just try registering. It'll work, sir. I could log in, sir.
No, no, it works. Don't worry, it works. So sometimes, some you people forget some password. You will do some caps lock. Something keeps on happening. Usually, if you use a mobile, sometimes it gives you trouble. If you use laptop, it will work. And since you have to take exam, all of you please make sure that by today evening, give a try, see if it works. If it doesn't work, just send a message either Pranav to me. All right. So you can send it to Pranav also, or you can send it to me also. And I think it will be taken care of because tomorrow mock paper is getting uploaded. Tomorrow you will have your mock paper. So once again, finally I'm going to upload this handout for today. So it is everyone in the meeting. We select this, we copy this. All right, and check it out now. Just check it out, all of you.
Sir, and one more thing. So because mine says wrong password and I don't remember mine.
Look, now if you do all this thing, then how I will be able to help you? See that all of your login ID should be your email address, and password you should put some password which you can remember. All right. So if it is not working, please see that you WhatsApp me your login ID. All right. Look, understand one thing. Since it is a software, so there is a very less probability that it works for one person, it doesn't work for the person. All right. Because if you see what is happening, it is a program, am I right? So it is not programmed for one particular person. It is completely universal program. But sometimes it do create trouble. But password and other things, I believe it is the issue with you people, not to worry. Still, I'll be taking care of this. What you have to do is just send me your login ID. All right. I don't want your password. We have to get it deleted. Once we delete it, what you have to do is you have to register yourself once again. That's all. Okay, let us start with the chapter without wasting time. But before I start with the class, one important, announcement. Announcement is what you have to do is all of you tomorrow at 10:30, you people need to be present along with your parents. All right. So wait, what is the trouble? All right. You need to be present along with your parents tomorrow at 10:30. You will be, we are going to send you that Zoom login ID and password so that we can have a talk with your parents. And exactly at 11 o'clock, we are going to upload the paper, login ID. And we'll see that, and we'll inform you tomorrow that for how many days this paper will be uploaded in your login ID, and then it will be removed. All right. So we'll give you 2 or 3 days. It's not that, we will upload it tomorrow and we'll remove it tomorrow itself. So we'll give you time, and all of you, you are supposed to take this test. What we want to do is we want to inform your parents. This is the reason why we want you to be present along with the parents, that they are aware of this. That is one thing. Second thing is we don't want you people to copy also, because there's a possibility that you have a GK comprehension. Something is try copying. Usually right click is something which is not active. But still, you people are far more, better with the technology. So you do something, copy, try doing something, and try scoring marks. So once again, we don't want this thing to happen. So we want your parents to be a bit accountable, and they should see that, you are taking this exam in a proper way. Because idea is that, look, I will be able to get your marks. You don't need to send me your marks. So it has been programmed in such a way that, we people will be able to see how many of you have taken exam, how many of you are writing exam, and what is the marks you have scored. And moment you finish with the test, you do submission, you will come to know your score, and they will show you which question you have done it correct and which question you have done it wrong. So you can do review there itself. All right. So you can try finding out your mistake. Other thing is, what we will do is we'll upload this paper once again in PDF form, so that if you want to go through that paper again, you can try going through that. All right. So see that all of you are present tomorrow at 10:30 along with your parents. Any question you have here?
Will you upload the answers also? Like in the
no, I'll tell you, we will upload key. We won't upload the solution, but solution will be there. When you do the submission part, that time solution will be there. All right. So yeah.
I have texted on WhatsApp.
That's fine. So right now I can't even see also.
No, my parents won't be available tomorrow. So that's what.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see how it works. But still, it is suggested that either your father or mother, they should be there with you at 10:30 tomorrow. because as I said, as a rule, we are supposed to inform them, because when we used to conduct mock paper in our center, we are very strict with our mock papers. We don't give any kind of leverage to students while writing a mock paper. So actually, if you see, when you go with our classroom mock papers, if someone is late by even 1 minute, they won't be allowed for the mock paper. That is how we people have, worked with the mock paper. So we take this mock paper a bit seriously. So unlike other institutions, it doesn't work with us that, we upload mock paper, we give mock paper, you do something, whatever you want. We don't want our mock paper to be circulated in market. That is the reason why, we won't give you, solutions. We will give you, if you are interested, the moment you write down the mock paper, you get complete solution. That is the time you should do analysis. All right.
Sir, for how many days the mock paper will be there?
I will tell you tomorrow. Right now, maybe at most for 3 days. That is what we are thinking. So Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. We'll see.
Sir, but my parents are available like earlier in the morning. Is it? Can I take it earlier? Is that possible?
Once mock paper open, you can take any time. You can take 2 o'clock in the morning also. It will be there in your login ID. You can take whenever you want. But only the thing is, the moment once you have taken, you won't be able to take it second time.
Okay, sir.
Have you understood?
Yeah.
So once in your login ID, once that test has been taken, and if you want to reappear for that test, you won't be able to.
So I can take it earlier in the morning around.
You can take any time. I told you. Once it gets uploaded, you can take any time. It doesn't matter. You can take 12 o'clock at midnight. You can take 5 o'clock in the morning. You can take 7 o'clock in the morning. It is your wish. All right. So we have not fixed a time that this is the time you are going to take. You can take whenever you want. All right. That is the advantage what you have when it is online. But idea is that you should take this paper seriously. All right. So that we people can know right now where you stand and what need to be done. All right, and all of you please see that people take mock paper, because I'm not going to leave you people. All right, if you don't take mock paper, you are going to get a call from us back to back. If you don't take 2 or 3 mock paper, what we will do is we'll just see that you are not able to take rest of the mock papers.
So what is
will stop you from taking mock papers?
So for GK, what is the month? What is the month cutoff? Like from which month will the GK come from?
Why are you worried? Let me say it in the last 6 months. How does it make a difference? I say last 6 months or I say last 1 month. It doesn't make any difference. Till the time you are prepared. That's all. Don't worry. Any other question you have?
The timer will be there on screen, or we have to keep time?
I'm sorry, Advait.
Will there be like a timer on screen telling how much time left?
Yeah, Advait, don't worry. The moment even 1 second is more, it will get closed. You won't get time.
So that
all
we
right.
our time.
No, you don't. Timer will be there. It will show you time, and you don't need to worry. The moment your 120 minutes get over, it will get closed. All right. Timer will be there. Any other question you have? No other questions? Good. So let us start. Yeah.
The username should be our email ID only, right?
Yes. I think don't get confused, man. You have to just log into your CLAT website. Their paper is there. Go ahead and take it. Okay, don't get tense. Any other question you have?
So where will the paper be? As soon as you log in, there are so many options that you can click on.
Do some. If you see research, go through the things. What is the?
I am on that website right now, sir.
No, this is what I'm saying. Right now, paper is not there, so you won't be able to see that paper.
Okay.
Usually, it will be there in the mock paper. All right, it will be there. Do some research. Go through the paper. What is the problem? As I said, do research, explore. Any other question?
So there will be negative marking, sir.
Oh yes, there will be definitely negative marking. This is a CLAT paper pattern. We have to follow the strict rules and regulations. Right answer, you get 1 mark. Wrong answer, 1/4 mark is deducted. Only what we are doing right now, we are not locking you for one, a particular question. Means you can go back and forward.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
But as I said, you cannot take exam more than once. The ones you have submitted, you have to. So that is why if any instructions appear on the screen, read it carefully. Just you have to read. That's all. Any other questions?
So for logical reasoning, I checked the handout. Where can we get the solutions for that?
Oh, we'll give you solutions. We'll call you in the center and we'll give you hard copy of solutions.
Okay, sir.
All right. All the second set of material which has been uploaded, You'll be getting a solution, complete solution for this, will be given to you in a hard copy.
Okay, sir.
Look, I told you, we do, if you see a lot of precaution is taken for, from our side, you should understand that, we don't want, once again, I'm saying we don't want our material to be, distributed on website free of cost.
So one
All
more
right.
doubt. Can we
Yes,
reaccess
please.
the mock paper like when we want it before our CLAT exam or something?
You are not audible. Can you just increase the volume a bit?
So like if we want to re-access our mock papers like in Jan or Feb, can we
Yes.
download it from anywhere if we have any
No, you
option?
won't be able to download it. That is what we want to avoid. That is what we want to avoid. Yes, paper will be available in your login ID. That we will do. Once we are done with the paper, we'll put it, as a PDF. If you want, you can download that. That's fine.
Yeah.
But I told you, solution won't be given to you. We will do analysis. Understand one thing. Once we have done the certain number of paper, maybe 2 or 3 paper. After that, we'll start with the mock paper analysis, which no one else does. All right. So when we do mock paper analysis, that time, you can ask all your doubt, all everything. Plus tomorrow, once you finish with the test, complete solutions will be given. Once you do the submission, it will give you marks and it will show you which question you have done it correct, which question you have done it wrong, and what is the solution for that. That will be there.
Yeah, sir.
Sir,
Alright.
right after the test, this marks will be given to us, sir.
Yes, immediately. The moment you submit, you will get your marks.
Okay, sir.
All right. Any other question? No, good. We are good with the topic today. Very easy topic. We'll try running fast. Only you have to understand when we are dealing with Venn diagram, there's a very simple thing. Okay, how many of you remember Venn diagram? How many of you remember sets? Sets. You remember sets? Yes? You remember sets or not? Yes or no? Tell me, dear. Do you remember sets or not? All right, we don't require sets in knowledge of sets, but just, it is
I don't
extended.
remember doing it in class, but I know the concept.
Okay, good. Let us assume, just listen carefully. It is just a 5 minutes of theory. Then we can start solving question. Very easy chapter. Just we can, move fast. Let us assume this circle represents people who play cricket. And this circle, okay, so why not I use different color? So it become easy. So this is, cricket. Excuse my, handwriting there, very bad. I'm very bad with the drawing. And plus, this, if you say writing pad, also don't help me. So basically, all right. So this is the people who play cricket. And this is the people who play hockey. And now, how many areas we have basically? X, Y, Z, and let us assume U. So just you have to understand this area properly, nothing else. What does X represent? Can anyone tell me what does this area X represent? Area, which is X, what does it represent?
Only cricket players.
Yes, X represent people who play cricket. Only remember, here word is very important. Wording is very important. All right. So you have to be careful. All right. So X represent people who play only cricket. Remember, only cricket. Similarly, Z represent people who play only hockey. Y represent people who play both games, cricket plus hockey. And this U represent people who don't play any game, not playing any game. Not playing any game. That's all. So once again, X represent people who play only cricket. Z represent people who play only hockey. Y represent people who play both cricket and hockey. And U represent people who don't play any game. All right. Now, let us assume, I have 3 variables now, So we have, people who play cricket. Then let us assume we have people who play hockey. This is hockey. This is cricket. And let us assume we have this represent people who play tennis. Is this part clear with all of you? Any doubt? Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No. Now listen carefully what I am saying. If you understand what I am saying right now, you will be able to solve all the questions from Venn diagram. Because that is what you have to understand. Whenever you are solving question from Venn diagram, Only our job is to mark this different area. So if you see how many areas we have, basically is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8 areas. Total 8 areas are there. And our job is only to mark these areas in Venn diagram. But you know, you should learn how to mark this area. You should learn the trick. Trick is very simple. Whenever you are solving question on Venn diagram, you are always going to mark the highest common area first. I'll repeat it once again. Whenever you are solving question on Venn diagram, always you are going to mark the area which is highest common area. So when we are dealing with 3 Venn diagram, I'll always first I'll go ahead and mark the area or put the values for the area which is common to all 3 of them. So first always I'll mark the 5. Region 5, this area. Means 5 represent all 3. 5 represent all. So always whenever I'm solving Venn diagram questions, irrespective of whatever data they're provided, I'll always search from that data, that from where I'm getting people who like all the 3 things: cricket, hockey, and tennis. Is this part clear? Yes or no? Is this part clear?
Yes, sir.
That first we are always going to mark the highest common area. So in this case, 3 Venn diagram will always mark the area which is common to all 3 of them. Once we have done this, then we'll shift to, after 3, we will go with this is 3 area or common to all 3 of them. Then we'll start marking area common to 2 of them. So you can take any one of this. So now we can mark this or this or this as your wish. But after once you have marked this area common to all 3 of them, then we'll start marking area common to 2 of them. So in this fact, if you see picture, we have 2 areas. So we have try marking 2. Then I think it is 4 and 6. Reason 2, 4, and 6. Once you have done this, then you start marking this area, single area. So then you can mark either this, this, or this. Once you have done this, then you can go outside and mark the area. If you follow this rule, what I have told you, you will be able to solve all the questions. Problem with you people is you don't mark this first 3 area. For example, if I say, all right, simple question. Let us try doing it. We have people. Number of people who play cricket is 100. Number of people who play hockey is 90. And number of people who play tennis is 80. Number of people who play both cricket and hockey is 30. And number of people who play both hockey and tennis is 30. And number of people who play both cricket and tennis is 20. And number of people who play all the 3 games is 10. Cricket, hockey, and tennis is 10. And let us assume we have total 200 people. Or okay, let me go with 300 people. Let us assume total 300 people are there. Now, how I'm going to mark this area? Yes. So as I said, first what you have to do is you have to mark the area common to all 3 of them. So we know that this 10. So there are 10 people who are in this area. So all right. Okay. Wait. All right. So first I'll mark this 10. Let me take other color, some other color, So, all right, let us take red. So here it goes 10. Once we have done this 10, then I can mark area common to 2 of them. So I know that 30 people who like cricket and hockey. Now understand one thing. 30 people like cricket and hockey means whole of this area is 30. This whole part, this is completely 30. So this is 10, so this will become 20. Now 30 people play hockey and tennis, so whole this and this is 30. 30 people play hockey and tennis, so this is 10, so once again this becomes 20. Now that 20 people who play both cricket and tennis, so 20, whole of this is 20, so this is 10, so this becomes 10 now. Now I know number of people who play cricket is 100, so total 100 people play cricket. So whole of this circle is 100, so 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 10 is 40, so this is 60 now. Whole of this circle, number of people who play hockey is 90. 30 plus 20 is 50, 60 plus 20 is 80, so another 10 people. Whole of this number of people who play tennis is 80. So 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 plus 10 is 40, another 40. Now total 300 people are there. So now I will add all of these things, and whatever is left, I have to come in here and mark it. So if you understand this, you'll be able to solve question. All right. Okay, let us go with few questions. I think that will, that is going to take care of this chapter. So let us do few questions together. All right. First question: in the following figure, circles. All right. Circle shows literate. Triangle shows unemployed. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay. Is this visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Don't get tense. Looking at, just hearing your voice, I feel you people are getting tense. This is a very easy question. In the following figures, circle shows literate. So this circle is literate, this triangle shows unemployed, and this rectangle shows villages. And we have to mark the answer. Total number of villagers is, so total number of villages. So this rectangle represents villages. So add this complete rectangle. 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 4 is 34, 34 plus 9. 34 plus 9 is 43. So B is the answer.
43.
Yes. Total number of literate, urban, unemployed people. Now remember, it has to be literate. It has to be, urban, unemployed. All right. So we are talking about, this unemployed, literate and unemployed. All right. So remember, it cannot be villagers. So, so village should not be there. Literate, unemployed. All right. So this is, look, literate and unemployed. We are talking about literate and urban unemployed. All right. So this is villagers. So villagers will be completely removed. Literate and unemployment. So 12 and 15. What is common between 12 and 15? 12. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look, I'll repeat it once again. You have to just easy question. Total number of literate. Who are the people literate? This complete circle is literate. Urban and unemployed. So it has to be literate, it has to be urban, and it has to be unemployed. So villagers won't be there because we are talking about urban people. So villagers are removed. So this part is completely removed. Now it has to be literate and it has to be urban. So the literate and urban common area is only this part. And what is common in that? That is 12. So answer is 12. Understood now? Fast.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Question, easy question, not more than second we should take. Number of villagers which are illiterate and unemployed. Illiterate and unemployed. So literate, it should not be there. It should be illiterate and unemployed. All right. So obviously literate circle won't be there. Villagers won't be. Villagers will be there or not. Question number 3. Number of villagers. Number of villagers. We are talking about villagers who are illiterate as well as unemployed. Remember, villagers. So these are villagers. Rectangle is villagers. They are supposed to be illiterate. So literate should not be there, and they're supposed to be unemployed. So only this area is coming. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Look, if you are not clear, please tell me. Is this point clear with all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Fast. Number of literate villagers who are unemployed. Suppose first we have to find out literate, and then it has to be villagers. Literate, villagers, unemployed. So common to all 3 of them. Tell me what is common to all 3 of them.
4. 4, sir.
4. Very good. 4. Common to all 3 of them. This is circle. Yes. Total number of literate villagers. Total number of literate villagers. They have to be literate and they have to be villagers. How much?
9. 9.
Sure.
So 30, 9 plus 4.
Why 9 plus 4?
Sir, because there was literate.
They haven't mentioned.
They have not mentioned unemployed.
Yes, they are talking about literate villagers. So they need to be literate and they need to be villagers. So common with both literate as well as villagers. So common with both literate and villagers is this. So 9 plus 4 is 13. All right. Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Question number 6. Which numbers are seen only in the geometrical figure? Okay, fine. I think they are talking about some other question. We are done with this. So question number 7. Give a try with question number 7. Which numbers are seen only in the geometrical figure?
Or is it like only in one geometrical figure? Is that what they mean?
So
No,
the
they're talking
sixth
about
answer is
they're talking about geometrical figure. They're not talking about only geometrical figure.
so the
They're
sixth
talking about,
answer is D, right?
I'm sorry.
The sixth answer is D, right?
Sixth answer is
D for Delhi.
6. Okay, total number of illiterate villages who are employed. I think sixth answer is D. Yes, you're right. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Question number 7. What is the answer? Which numbers are seen only in the geometrical figure?
Is it B, sir? Like
B. Yes. Why?
because like 1, 2, and 9. 1 is there only in the circle. 2 is only in the square, and 9 is only in the rectangle.
1, 2, and 9. Very good. Very good. If you see, I cannot take which number is only in the geometrical figure. Now, one particular geometrical figure we are talking about. And you can use the answer options. For example, 4, if you see. 4 is coming in both, if you see it is coming in circle as well as it is coming in square. Yes, it is not coming in one particular figure. Now, if you see 2 is coming in only in square, then 1 is coming only in, if you see, circle, and 9 is coming in rectangle. All right. Have you understood? Any doubt? No. Can you people hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. No, because okay.
Yes, sir.
Remember one thing: if my network goes out, don't get tense. Just wait for some time. I'm there sitting in Janagar office, so here I have trouble with connectivity. All right. So just give me a moment. I think yeah. Tell me. Just give me a moment. Let me. People can solve question number 8 till 20. Do it fast. Do question number 8 to 20. All the questions. 8 to 20. Question number 8 to question number 20. Do it fast. Please solve question number 8 to 20, all of you.
Could you send the sheet one more time?
Look, then, you should join at the right time, dear.
So can you explain the 7th one once again, sir? My internet was not proper.
Yeah, please check it out. Do it fast. All these questions are easy. Seven to 20. Once you finish, please tell me. Let me see who finished fast. And then we'll discuss with the answer and then we can move. This question should not take more time. If you're doubt, I'll solve. Okay, have you people understood or not? Have you understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
This
Yes,
is easy.
sir.
Good, good. Anyone who has finished?
Yes,
Till
sir.
once you finish in, you can just raise your hand. Oh, good, good. Two people have already finished. Let me see. The moment we have 7 to 8 people, we'll start, discussing. Or, okay, I'm writing the answers. Okay, you can cross-check with the answer. And in case if you have a doubt, I'll explain. Because, we should not waste our time. Unnecessarily, we should not waste time. And as I said, if you don't understand, please, you have to tell me. And if you don't agree with the answer, still you have to tell me, because this is a key which has been given to me, so you have to just tell me, so that if you have a doubt, we can clarify the doubts. Don't worry, just raise the issue, because sometimes answer what they give, it can be wrong. Just check it out. I have mentioned answers key. In case if you have a doubt, I will, explain these questions. Because, I think the last few questions will be one which will lengthy. Initially, the questions what they have given, it will be on the easier side. But still, if you have a doubt, please ask me. Don't hesitate. You don't need to worry. Anyone who has got all the questions correct? 7 to 20?
Me, sir.
Very good, Bhavna. Anyone else apart from Bhavna?
Me too.
Me too, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good, good. So good number of you are getting it correct. Any doubt? If you have a doubt, please tell me. Anyone who has a doubt? No doubts? Confirm? Can we proceed? All right, finish till 20. I think all the questions diagram they have given him. All right, 20. Go till 30. Do till question number 30. Till 30. 3030. I can erase this.
So what about 18, 19, 20?
Okay, no, I have given answer. No? Your answer is given 18, 19, 20. 18 is B, 19 is B, 20 is A.
I didn't see.
You're 18, 19. Do till 30. All of you please finish till 30. All correct. Very good. Look, these are easy question. I told you, and if you're not able to solve, still you have to tell me. I can remove this answer options.
Yes.
Okay. Do question till 30. I told you we can, move. Once if you finish fast, I'll teach you something, maybe 4 Venn diagram. Usually if you see, to make 4 Venn diagram, it is always a difficult. Look how they have made 4 Venn diagram here, and still we are not sure that whether all the area has been taken care of or not. Let me see. You people solve, and meanwhile I'll see whether they have taken care of all the areas or not.
Sir?
Yeah.
So in the 25th question.
There's some error?
No, sir. The diagram, it says, sir, can you scroll
Wait.
to that question?
25th, no? 25th, where it is here. It is here. It is here.
So which one is
class,
this?
okay, the reason.
Which one is a square over here, sir? They say square means intelligent population over there. So.
I don't think so that, they have made a square. Square. Both, because according to the picture, if you see both of them are, rectangle. Wait, I'll tell you. Because, maybe I have to just go through some data and check it out. 4 classes of population are shown as 4 figures in the following. Square means intelligent population, rectangle means successful population, circle means literate population, and triangle means whole earth representative. Study the diagram. Wait. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. I think I can, looking at some data, I'll be able to help you out. The reason representing successful, intelligent, but illiterate population. So let us see. So I think square means intelligent. Square means intelligent population. Circles means literate population. Circle means literate. So this is literate. Literate population. Triangle means a woman. So this is woman. So only confusion is in between intelligent population. Rectangle means successful population. And successful. All right. Just give me a minute. I'll be able to help you out. The region representing successful, intelligent. We want successful also and intelligent also, but illiterate population. All right, let us see. This is the answer. So based upon this, can we get the data? No, here also, wait. Here we won't be able to get H and I. Here this H is there and H and I is there in both. So I think most probably, if I'm not wrong, this has to be square what they're talking about. Intelligent. Take this as, that's fine now. What is the problem? Take this as intelligent, I think, and take this as a successful. All right.
Okay, sir.
I think use this and solve. The reason representing successful, intelligent, but illiterate population. Successful. It has to be successful. It has to be intelligent. And it has to be illiterate. Just we have to be a bit careful with this kind of questions. Let me see.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, question number 27, is it correct or not?
Intelligent people who are neither literate nor successful are shown by the, we are talking about, I can't see the picture at the same time. Okay, let me see if I can open my mobile. Intelligent people who are neither literate nor. What is that? You are not getting answer for this.
No, sir, it should be nor or
Wait,
I think that now should be nor.
Wait 1 minute. We are talking about intelligent people who are neither literate nor successful. Intelligent people who are neither literate nor successful. Intelligent people who are neither literate nor successful. They're not supposed to be literate. They're supposed to be intelligent. Neither literate means not successful. So success also will be awarded intelligent. I think it should be J if I'm not wrong.
No, sir, that now should be nor. Now.
It is not successful. Not now is not. This you should understand here. Now successful
Okay,
is
sir.
not successful, and I think it is J. Yeah, it is J. Answer is J. So what we have assumed, we have assumed right thing. That this is intelligent, And this is successful. I think with this we'll be able to solve the question. Any other doubt? Do till 30. Well, I want 15 areas. Do we have 15 areas? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. No, we don't have 15 area. And if basically if you draw 4 Venn diagrams, you will have 15 different areas. 15 different areas will be there. And that is why we, usually drawing 4 Venn diagram question is very difficult. If you want 4 Venn diagrams question, it is very difficult. I'll just show you. Let us finish with this handout first. And then I'll show you how this 4 Venn diagrams also work. Till 30. Have you people done? Okay, till not 30. If you do 30, do till 35. 34, 35. Do till 35. Do till 35. All right, do till 35. All of you, please finish till 35. Easy question. We should do it fast. Look, when a question is easy, we should do it fast. That is how we should work. We should not waste our time. You're able to solve, am I right? No problem. This data was missing. Please take care of this. This is intelligent. This is intelligent, and this is successful. Don't get confused. You're able to solve.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
3 people are happy. Am I right? You're able to solve, then you should be happy. Till 35. Anyone who has finished? People who have finished, you can raise your hand. Two people, they have finished. Very good. One more has finished. Do it fast. It is D. And people who have finished, you can cross check with your answer. I'm writing it down. All right. People who have not finished, once you finish, then you check your answer. Once you have finished, then only you should check your answer, not before that. And if you have a doubt, you should ask me. How many of you have done? How many of you have raised your hand? How many of you are still doing? Okay, good number of you are still doing. Okay, that's fine, no problem. Bhavna is done, then Aishwarya is done. Hey Nand, what happened? Why you are late? You are not solving question?
Done, sir. I checked. I got all correct.
Done, very good. You're done with all the 50 questions?
No, sir. 35.
People who have done with 35 questions, please solve rest of the questions. And people who have not done the questions, you have to solve.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, I will let us wait for a few more minutes, then I'll clarify your doubt. Which question your doubt, tell me.
So 22nd one, sir.
Okay, we'll see, we'll wait. Let us wait for some more time and then I'll clarify your doubt. Because still people are doing, no? So let them finish with this. Nand, you got 22nd correct?
Yeah, sir. 22nd.
Okay, so there's no trouble with the question, am I right? Let us see 22nd. Meanwhile, what is the trouble? Question number 22nd. The number showing honest villagers, hardworking people. Honest villagers, hardworking people. So here is, I think. So which area, which is honest in? So I think, you know, where is the trouble here? Honest.
Sir, it can be both C and D, sir. So I marked D.
No, wait. You know, why it can be both C and D? 22 we are talking about 13 and 14. Why it can be 13 and 14 both? What is the logic? No,
Sir, they say honest villagers were hardworking.
Wait, don't know 12. Just give me a moment because I have to remove this, you know. So because I have to remove it and you know, so and okay, let me just write it down now. All right. In the following figures, circles shows village people. Circle, this is village. Rectangle shows honest people. All right. This is honest. The square shows hardworking. This is hardworking. And triangle shows literate people. This is literate. All right, now the numbers showing villages. So first we are talking about villages. So this is village. Literate. All right. So this is village. They are supposed to be literate. Okay, sorry. We are talking about 22nd question. All right. Wow. The problem with this kind of, you know, this is that if I move it, get okay. Here, the number showing honest. We want honest villagers and hardworking. We want honest villagers and hardworking. Okay, we have to have honest. All right, villagers and hardworking. All right. So honest villagers and hardworking. It is which area? Look here. It has to be 13 now.
So honest.
It has to be honest. It has to be wait. Let us, because you know we have to be very careful. We require question number 22 is a problem, na? We require question number 22. The number showing honest villagers and hardworking. Showing honest villagers and hardworking people. All right. We require honest villagers.
So actually, the answer should be like plus 15 also, right? Because
Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. So we want honest people, we want villages, and we want hardworking. This idea is very simple. It has to be, you know, honest, villages, and hardworking means, you know, because these are easy questions. Just we have to be careful with the, you know, data. Honest, villagers, and hardworking. This won't be there. All right. So honest, it has, they are supposed to be honest. So this is possible. They are supposed to be, you know, village. So this is coming under village. And they're supposed to be hardworking. So this is coming. No problem with this. This is also, you know, they're supposed to be honest. All right. Now suppose they're supposed to be honest. All right. So this 13 is not coming honest now, if you see. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Sir, but I'm talking about 15, sir.
Yeah, like 15 should be added, right?
Wait. Let us see. No, we are talking about honest villagers and hardworking. It cannot be literate, no?
But they've not told illiterate, right? They've just.
So they're not asking literate, sir. They're just asking honest, hardworking, and village.
So we are talking about honest, we are talking about villagers, and we are talking about hardworking. So basically, what I feel, that they are talking about only this three domains. They have to be honest, they have to be, hardworking, and they need to be village. If I put 15, they come under literate also.
Sir, but they also come under honest, hardworking, and villages. So we can include 15.
Yeah, understood. Actually, they should have asked the question, how many people are only honest, hardworking, and village? That is what they ask. If they ask only, in that case, what you're saying is correct. If they just ask honest, hardworking, and village, then this should be there. But if they ask only honest, in that case, this won't be there. Literate part won't be there. This will be removed. Have you understood what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is what we have to be careful with. Any other doubt?
35th one.
35th one.
Okay, 35th. That means if you have trouble with this, means there will be trouble with that question. Let us see. I'm removing everything. All right. So let us go with question number 35th. I agree. 35th. So rest of the things we don't have any trouble. So here we go 35th. What is the answer we are getting for question number 35th? What is your point of view? What is the answer you are getting for question number 35th?
I think in mine.
Okay, let us see. No problem. Let us see. Okay, the question number 35th is only this, or only this diagram is there, right?
So for me, I think it's.
All right. In the following figure of a garden square shows the area where the jackfruit trees are grown circles. Which number that is? Data is not there. Any other doubt? We don't have data representing which one represent which, so obviously we won't be able to solve. Any other questions? No problem. Finish till 50 now. Finish till 50. I think question here, data are there in the following questions based on figure diagram. This figure, triangle denotes doctor. Thanks God, we have this data. Triangle denotes doctor, so we are talking about triangle. Circle denote players. Circle denote players, and rectangle denote artist. This is fine. I think this is fine. Do. Please solve the question now. Do till question number 50. 36 to 50. And once you solve, raise your hand. Hey, Aishwarya, you are finished till 50. Aishwarya,
Yes,
you are finished till 50.
No, sir, I'm still in the 45th one.
Hey, your hand is raised, so I thought maybe you have finished.
Okay. Oh.
Once you finish, then you can raise your hand. Easy question, very easy. Sometimes you should have easy question also, so that I can give you a bit early.
The 39th question has a mistake, sir.
It has a mistake, leave it. That's fine, no issues. How many doctors are neither artists nor what that? How many doctors are? Leave that question. In your login ID, still if you see, maths questions are not uploaded. DI book is not uploaded. We are going to upload DI book by next week. So still we are working on the DI book, because we have to make some changes with the material. So rest of the books has been uploaded. But first you solve first booklet, for, then only you should go with the second booklet.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
in the download section, there is a just a second. Important government scheme PDF, no, sir.
In download sections, you are talking about. Okay.
Central schemes.
No, I still have not understood you, what you want to say.
So, sir, in the website, there's a PDF for a central government schemes.
Mhm.
I wanted to know like if it's latest or like fully updated.
No, if it is, if it is there, then it should be latest. I will just cross check and tell you. Still, I'll cross check and tell you. Because usually we remove old stuff. That is the reason why we see that for 1 week your login ID doesn't work. But still we'll check it out. Just give me some time.
Okay.
You can just leave a word, message. Just WhatsApp me. I'll just take care of that. Because if I forget, then there's a trouble. But just WhatsApp me. How many of you have done? Till now, no one has finished.
Last question, sir.
Okay, okay. Usually when you are getting questions on, Venn diagram, you will be getting a caselet type question. Caselet means somewhere 2 or 3 questions will be attached to that, So you have to be a bit careful. And as I said, if you just remember what I said, marking the common area, and if you remember the method, you'll be able to solve all the questions. So go through, material. There you have so many questions, where you have 3 Venn diagrams questions. And I think even one question is there for 4 Venn diagram also. So solve your booklet completely. You'll be having a very good, if you see control on this kind of questions. It will be very easy questions.
Yes, sir, done.
Good, let us wait for the people. I'm writing down the answer option. Just cross check people who have done. Just go through the answers, check it out.
Sir, can you explain 43?
You want question number 40?
3, sir. 43.
45th?
3, sir. 43.
Okay, 43. I'm so sorry. No, I'm not able to hear you. All right, we'll wait. We'll look for 43. No issues. We'll do 43. Still a lot of time in there. We can solve questions. So 43 we'll discuss. Let us wait for the question also.
So what's the 39th answer?
39, I think there is some error with the question. They ask me how many doctors are neither artists not doctors. You are able to get the answer.
Yeah, sir. I got B for that.
39, what is the answer you have got? You tell me. It is B as in Bombay.
17, yeah.
It is B as in Bombay.
Yes, sir.
We'll ask how many doctors are neither artists nor doctors. How can a doctor not be a doctor?
Obviously.
Oh, I thought
It cannot be.
Okay, I got it.
B answer what they have given is wrong. Because how many doctors are neither artists not doctors? How can be doctors and it cannot be doctors? Not doctors in place of not doctors. If we make changes, this question will be something else will be. They'll use something else. That's all. How many of you have done with this? Can you please raise your hand? People who have done till all these 50 questions, so that we can see if doubt is there. We'll clarify the doubt. Whatever doubts you have. Which question you said? Which question you said you have a doubt? Question number 40.
43, sir.
43. All right. Let us wait. Let us wait for the people. Then we will see. Please do it fast, all of you.
So I also had a doubt in the 46th one.
Okay, we'll do 43, 46. We'll do. First, you people finish, then I'll clarify your doubt.
So even 47th one.
How many of you have gone through all the questions first? Can you please raise your hand? Just raise your hand. I want to see how many of you have at least done with all the questions. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Still a few of you are solving. 8. All right. In that case, I think we can discuss. Yes, we can discuss. We can discuss. We'll go. All right. First, okay. I am removing answer options. All right. No problem.
So can it be just a second?
Yes. Can I erase this answer and we can go to the questions? You have taken a note of this?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. And now you tell me which question you have doubt. We'll go one by one. Tell me fast. First, from question number, I think first doubt was which one? Question number, tell me. You said some question. Huh? You have to tell me question. I don't remember the question. 40. Okay. I'll ask one by one. Till 40, any doubt? No doubt. 41 to 45?
So 41.
41.
43.
Okay, 41. How many of you have got doubt with question number 41? All right. Pratiksha has got doubt with question number 41. Anyone? What is the answer you are getting for question number 41?
So no, my doubt is in 43, not 41.
Okay. Who? Anyone has got doubt with question number 41?
So
No?
me.
Okay, good. All right, let us solve question number 41. In a class, there are 15 students. So we have 15 people in a class who like chocolates, 13 like vanilla. So 15, okay, in a class, there are 15 students who like chocolate. We are talking about chocolate. We have 15 students who like chocolates. 13 students like vanilla. 13 students, they like vanilla. So vanilla, we are talking about 13 people. 10 students like neither, so 10 is outside. If there are 35 people in a class, we know that total 35 people in a class. All right. So how many students like chocolate and vanilla? Now look, understand one thing. If total 35 people are there and 10 people, we know that they are outside. So sum of this has to be how much? 25? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sum of this has to be 25. So we are talking about X, Y, and Z. So X plus Y plus Z has to be 25. Now, what is the question they're asking? How many students like chocolate and vanilla? They're talking about how many people they like chocolate and vanilla. You can use answer option and solve this question. You can now put any one of the answer option and check it out whether it is satisfying the data or not. We know that some of them has to be 25. Yes, if some of them is 25 and that's
Yes,
how many
sir.
students like chocolate and vanilla. So if you see, 41 answer is C3. Let us see. If I know that 3 people are here, if these 3 people are there, so out of 15, 3 is here. So these 3 people are here. If 3 are here, out of 15, 12 will be here, and out of 13, 10 will be here.
Yeah.
All right. Now check it out whether our complete number of people 25 is there. 12 plus 13, 15 plus 10 is 25. That's all. Okay. Next doubt. Next one, out of till 45. Tell me question till 45.
The 43rd one.
43rd one. Let us go. Where is question number 43? 43 is here. Let us read first question number 43. In a population of cats, 10% are tabby colored, 5% are pregnant, and 3% are both tabby and pregnant. All right. So basically, if I understand this carefully, this is something. Okay, let us make bit. So they're talking about some cat is there. All right. 10% are tabby colored. So 10%, I believe they are talking about maybe this is tabby color. All right. So this is 10%. 5% are pregnant. Let us make this as a 5%. All right. And 3% are both tabby and pregnant, and 3% are there. If this is 3%, so I believe this has to be 7% and this has to be 2%. All right. Now what they're saying, what is the probability that is cat is tabby? We are talking about probability, remember? So what is the probability? Now, other thing is that when you talk about percentage, so already we know that all of them has to be coming, Completely, it has to be 100%. Yes, let us see. Okay. What is the probability that a cat is tabby, all right, but not pregnant? So this is what we are talking about. This is 7%. From here, tell me how to, any doubt now? Look, total is 100%. Am I right? Total is, all of the cat has to be 100%. Yes or no? Because everything is cat. Is this data clear? Now we are talking about what is the probability that cat is tabby but not pregnant. So tabby and not pregnant means this is tabby. These are the pregnant data. So I know this is the 7%. Out of complete, only 7% is tabby, and not pregnant. So basically it becomes 7%. What is the probability?
Yes, sir, I understood. I just got a little confused. It was very silly.
Now you have understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Any other doubts?
Sir, 47.
47.
Sir, the 46th one also.
46. 46. There are 15,000 students in a college. So we are talking about, there are 15,000 students in a college. X. Of those students, 1,700 are taking both ethics and metaphysics this semester. So ethics and metaphysics. How many variables are we have? We have ethics, we have metaphysics. Anything else? Total student taking ethics, manual taking metaphysics. This is easy. What is the trouble with this? So we are talking about ethics and metaphysics. This is metaphysics. We know total 15,000 people are there. Of these students, 1,700 take both ethics and metaphysics. So this is 1,700. 1,700. There are total 2,000, total 2,200 students taking ethics. These are 2,200. And 9,500 students taking neither of these classes. 9,500 is outside. How many students are taking metaphysics this term? So we are talking about this. Now remember, if whole of this 2,200, so this is 1,700, so this has to be 500. Because whole of the circle, is 2,200. So this is 1,700, so this has to be 500. All right. Now I want, and if this circle is 2,200 and this is 9,500. So what is this value left now? Whole of this has to be 15,000. All of you agree with this or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Whole of this, wait 1 minute. All right. Whole of this, if you ask me, whole of this has to be 15,000. Sum of this has to be 15,000. Out of 15,000, already we know that 9,500, they are outside. So sum of this has to be, 5,500. This is 500. Yes. So this has to be total 5,000. This also you can do. I'll repeat it once again. 9,500 is outside. So out of 15,000, if 9,500 is outside, so sum of this has to be 5,500. And already we know this is 500. So if the whole of this is 5,500 and this is 500, so I know this part, this and this has to be 5,000, and that is what they ask. They're asking how many students taking metaphysics. So 5,000 people are taking. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, got it.
If you have not understood, you can tell me. It's still fine. I can explain you once again. Check it out. If you have not understood, please tell me. Now you have understood or not? You want me to do it once again?
No, sir.
Confirm. Anyone who want me to do question number 46 once again? Just you have to be a bit careful. I know 9,500 is outside, so sum of this has to be 5,500 and some of this has to be 5,500. Already we know this is 500. So this part has to be 5,000, and that is what they are talking about. I don't need to get this value. If at all they were asking only this value, only metaphysics, then our answer should be 5,000 minus 1,700. So this value will be 3,300. That's all. But they are not asking this. They are asking only metaphysics. All right, next doubt.
So 47.
47. All right, 47. In a class of 100 students, so total 400 students are there. 43 play basketball and 37 play baseball. So we are talking about two, basketball and baseball. Basketball, basket, and baseball. This is baseball. All right. How many play both? 9 students play both. This is 9. Total 43 play basketball. 43 is here. And 37 play baseball. Look, you are not, that means following what I have told you. Starting itself very clearly, I have told you. Always mark the highest common areas. Always mark this 9. Now, the moment I know this is 9, whole of this 43. So 43 minus 9 is how much? 3 is gone. This will become 34. Whole of this is how much? Whole of this is 37. And this is 9. So 37 minus 9 is how much? 28. All right. Now, what is the question? How many students do not play either, short? So they are talking about, they are talking about how many do not play either. This is sport basically. Forget about this, is just a mistake. How many people don't play either? I know that total 100 people in survey. So they see how many, these are the people who play one or the other game. Add it. So take this circle whole. This is 43. And another, this is 43 and this is 28. 71 people play either one of the game. So that 29 people who don't play any one. 29 people are outside. I'll repeat it once again. Sum of this 3 means the people they play any one game or both of them. So we have to add 34 plus 9 plus 28. If you add 3, we'll get 71. Now you should see only I've taken 43. Why? Because I want to save my time. I don't want to waste my time in adding. So what you do is I take this whole of this circle. So I know whole of this circle is 43. So this plus this is 43 plus another 28. So 43 plus 28 is 71. So 71 people are taken care of. Out of 100 people, if 71 people are taken care of, so remaining is 29. That is what they're asking, if I'm not wrong. Yes, any other question? No.
So
no
could
doubt.
you solve the 42nd one?
That is bad habit, because when I was asking you initially, you should have told me. I will solve it. There's no problem. But when we go with the process, you should always ask me, because, and I asked you, very clearly I asked you. 43 we have done, now. You want 43? We have done 43, am I right?
So the 42nd one.
Okay, 42nd. A given company has 1500 employees. Of those employees, 800 are computer science. All right. So we are talking about, computer science. So we are talking about, let us in this circle represent, people who are, we are talking about 1500 employees. This employees, 800 are computer science. So 800 people, they are talking about, computer science. Computer science. All right. Computer science major, that's fine, no problem. Computer science major, let me write down. 25% of those computer science majors are also mathematics major. All right. 25% of this computer science majors are also maths majors. All right. So 25% of this has to be somewhere 200. All right. So maybe if I go with computer science major, and let us see. I will use some other. Okay, how many of you have done this question? Have you people done this question number 42? Yes or no? How many of you have done? Let me just check it out. Yes. How many of you have done with this question number 42? Okay, let us see anyway, that's fine. So we are talking about this as a computer major. All right, then we have, all right, computer major is there. How many variables we have? Anyone who can help me? How many variables we have? Only 2 variables. We require 2 circles or 3 circles?
2 circles.
Okay, then it's fine. So of this 800 computer science major, 25% of those computer major also mathematics major. That group of computer science math dual majors makes of 1/3 of the total mathematics major. How many employees have majors other than? Let us read for the complete. Okay, so fine. So first we have to make get the. Okay, that's fine. I think we are fine with this. Now from here, how we can proceed? So we are talking about computer science major. So this, obviously this is maths major. Any idea total how many people are there with maths major first? Think. Let us see. How many of you are there? How many of them are there with maths major? And how will you get that?
400, no, sir.
I'm sorry.
400.
From where you are getting this 400?
200 will be in
not only maths major. Remember, there is not. We are not dealing with only maths major. We are talking about maths major. There's a difference between only maths major and maths major. Think. We'll take a minute and see.
$800, sir.
Let us see. Any idea? This value will be 200. Any idea why this will be 200?
1/4 of 800.
Yes, very clearly they're saying. This one. 25% of those computer science major are also maths major. So 25% of this whole are also maths major. Means we are talking about both. So this becomes this 200. All right. Any doubt with this now? No doubt. All right. Now let us proceed further. Now, if this is 200, we know this has to be 600. This part is also clear. Yes. Is this clear? Look, if you don't understand, you have to ask me. You have understood from where I got this 200? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This from this 25%. Those of computer science major, also mathematics major. So this I get 200. Whole of this circle is 800, so I get 600 here. So 6 plus 2 is 800. Now only my job is if I can get this value. So let us proceed further. That group of computer science and maths dual major makes up 1/3 of the total mathematics major. Now look, understand, this group makes 1/3 of total mathematics major. So if this is 1/3, so this total has to be how much? 600. Look, this is why you have to be good. That group of computer science and maths dual major. That group of computer science and maths dual major means we are talking about these people. Yes. All right. These people, they makes 1/3 of total mathematics major. These forms 1/3 of total mathematics major. So if this itself is 1/3, so complete has to be, 3 times. So this complete becomes 600. So this becomes 600. This is 200. So this is how many? 400. All right. Now, what is the question? How many employees are majors other than how many? So people who are included in this is 6 plus 2 is 800. 8 plus 4 is how much? 8. Tell me fast. 6 plus 2 is 800. 8 plus 4 is 1200. So we have 300 people who are outside. Yes or no? Have you understood?
Yes.
6 plus 600 plus 200 is 800. 800 plus 400 is 1200. Total sample space is 1500 people. If total sample space is 1500 people and 1200 people has been taken care of, so we are left with how many people now? 300 people. So this 300 people, they are outside this circle. And what is the question they're asking? I think this is what they're asking. What is the question they have asked? Okay. How many employees are majors other than major science and mathematics? How many employees are majors other than computer science and mathematics? How many people are major other than computer science and mathematics? I think this is what they are talking about. Yes. So 6 plus 2, 8 is what we are talking about. 300 people. Answer is 300. So answer should be this 8. Yes, you have understood? Any doubt? You have understood or not?
Yes.
Tell me fast here. Yeah.
Yes, sir, I have understood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any other doubt?
No, sir.
I'll remove this. So very good. So finally we are done. No doubts. Good. So tomorrow, just see that all of you are present along with your parents at 10:30. So we'll send you Zoom login ID and password. All right. Now other important thing is when you are doing mock paper, don't get tensed. If it is a difficult question, just leave it. Don't waste your time. This is the most important thing. And you don't need to feel whether you are scoring 40 marks, 50 marks, 80 marks, 100 marks. It doesn't matter. This is a first test. So we'll just see how it works. Yes, Shreya, you have any question?
No, sir.
All right. Anyone else who has got any other question?
So what exactly will happen at 10:30?
I'm sorry?
What exactly will happen at 10:30?
10:30, just we'll talk to your parents, inform them that we are starting the mock paper, and see that you people monitor that they are writing this mock paper properly. That is what we are going to say. Nothing else.
So do we have to be present?
Yes, obviously you need to be there along with your parents. Because I will tell you, what happened is, unfortunately, if any one candidate copy this, I won't be able to know, look, one thing I can tell you is I will come to know that you have copied. That I assure you. But still I don't have any data to prove that you have copied. So we want your parents to take care of this. Since if you are there in center, you take tests, we take care of this. Right now you're taking this, test as and when you want, and you can do anything which you want, And meanwhile, I won't be having the right data. This is one thing. Second important thing is, if suppose there is a genuine candidate, his score is, 60, and someone has scored 90, and in that case, he will always feel bad. And we won't know that, okay, fine, what to tell. Because as I said, from my experience, I can easily make it out that you won't be able to score 90 marks in this paper. There's a possibility. All right. So we won't like to be there in that kind of situation. And other thing is that your parents need to be informed that, mock paper has got started. That, you people should take mock papers. That's all, nothing else. Any other question? No question?
sir.
Yes.
Sir, when can we come to the center and collect the solutions?
Maybe by this month end.
Okay, sir.
All right. Any other questions? No questions? All right, good. Thank you very much. We'll wind up with this session. Best of luck for tomorrow's exam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Take care. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Take care. Bye-bye.